Hi everyone, you're watching this video probably because you have a error message on your screen that says parts life end, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of that and keep your printer running. Basically it's saying that the 100,000 page mark that all the parts inside, not including drum and toner, were set to are basically telling the printer that they're at 100,000 pages and it won't let you do anything. It won't let you print or anything. You can do a simple reset. Usually at that point the fuser already needs to be replaced, but if it's still running good, all you do is just do this reset process that I'm going to show you right now, and you should be all fine. Also, if you just replaced any of the parts like laser unit or fuser part, fuser assembly, it's about time to do that reset right away, since the printer will tell you in a couple thousand pages that it's out, even though it's new. So the process that we're going to do, it's going to involve this sequence right here. We're going to press menu, asterisk, and then 2864, and after that we're going to press 88. So if we look at the screen, if you have the control panel, I'm sorry, if you have a similar control panel as this MFC-8710DW, there's also a previous model, the gray ones, the gray printers that were made by Brother. They have a similar layout of the control panel, and the screen is about the same size and everything. It's going to have the same sequence for resetting those parts. So what we're going to do is we're going to, I put it on paper, we're first going to press menu button. I'm not pressing it now, I'm just telling you ahead of time so we could be all on the same page. I'm going to press menu, asterisk, 2864, and we're just going to do that in a continuous pattern without very much pauses or anything. So here we go. Menu, star, 2864. Menu, star, 2864. And that's why you have to, first time I did it, it made a pause somewhere, it didn't go through, so you just have to do it very fast. And then it's going to start flashing on the screen saying maintenance. We're going to hit 8. Now it's going to say laser unit reset. So since we're at it, let's just reset all the parts, not just the fuser unit, and it's all of these here, laser and fuser. So we're just going to start with whatever was first. So laser unit, let's just hit OK. Another OK. Then we're the PF kit MP and OK again. Go down one, kit 2, OK twice, and so on. When we get to fuser unit, this is probably the reason why you're watching this also, hit OK twice, and laser unit we already reset. So we basically reset all the parts. And then we're going to hit stop or exit button. It's going to go back to maintenance, and let's just turn the printer off and on again, and I'll print the report and show it to you. So I'm going to print the report by hitting menu, 6-4, start. And when it comes out on the 4th page, we'll see this page here, and all of these should be at 100%. Let's see if that's the case. So the last page is out, and all of them are now reset. Just the toner is showing that it's slow. I'm going to reset that in another video, and I'm going to see if it still has toner in it, or I'll just replace it and it'll just go up. So we reset the fuser unit, laser unit, PF kit, and another PF kit. So we're good at that, and that error that you had on the screen of parts life end should go away, and you should continue using your printer as you did before. Have a great day. Please subscribe, like this video, and come back for more. Thank you.